Ever looked at someone and thought, wow, they've got style? Well, buckle up because today you're going to learn how to do just that. Personal style is more than just clothes, it's an extension of your personality, a visual representation of who you are. It's an art, a language without words, and a confidence booster. We'll dive into exploring different styles, embracing neutral colors, building a versatile wardrobe, accessorizing wisely, and understanding your body type. Ready to transform into a style icon? Then let's jump right in. First things first, you can't master your style if you don't know what's out there. Time to explore. Consider this a thrilling quest, a journey through the vast landscape of fashion. Peek into the wardrobes of your favorite fashion icons, delve into the rich tapestry of different cultures, even time travel to different eras. Each source holds a treasure trove of style ideas. So step out of your comfort zone and dive into the exciting world of fashion. Remember, exploration is the key to finding your unique style. Think neutral colors are boring? Think again! They're the unsung heroes of a stylish wardrobe, the backstage crew that allows the stars to shine. Neutrals provide a timeless canvas, letting your accessories or statement pieces grab the spotlight. They're like the bassist in a band, quietly holding the rhythm while the lead guitar wails away. With neutrals, there's no clashing, only harmonizing. They're the secret ingredient in the recipe for a versatile, chic wardrobe. So, don't shy away from the neutrals, they're your style's best friends. Now let's talk about building a wardrobe that works as hard as you do. The key to a versatile wardrobe lies in the art of mix and match. Think of your wardrobe as a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece should interlock with the other, creating a multitude of stylish ensembles. Your wardrobe should be a curated collection of versatile pieces that can take you from a business meeting to a casual dinner effortlessly. Remember, a good wardrobe isn't about quantity, it's about versatility. Accessories, the secret weapons of style. These little elements, often overlooked, have the power to elevate your outfit from good to absolutely phenomenal. They are the exclamation points of your personal style, adding character and charm to your look. Whether it's a trendy hat, a statement necklace, a sleek watch, or even a simple, elegant scarf, the right accessory can transform your entire aesthetic. Remember, it's not just about what you wear, but how you accent it. So, don't underestimate the power of a good accessory. Last, but definitely not least, know your body type. Understanding your body's unique shape is crucial to enhancing your personal style. Each body type has its own set of strengths, and knowing yours can help you choose clothing that accentuates these features. Whether you're tall and lean, curvy, or somewhere in between, there's a style that will flatter your figure. It's all about finding what works best for you and embracing it. Remember, style isn't about fitting into a mold. It's about understanding and celebrating your unique shape. And there you have it, your roadmap to becoming a style icon. We've explored different styles, embraced the power of neutral colors, built a versatile wardrobe, accessorized wisely, and understood the importance of knowing our body type. Each of these steps, when taken together, leads to a personal style that is distinct, versatile, and absolutely you. So go ahead, embrace your style, and remember, the most stylish thing you can wear is confidence. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more style inspiration. Stay stylish, folks.